I've known this cat for a long time. I still don't know its name, but every single time I come to this block, it comes to me. Hey, sweet kitty cat.
Frodo, leave my plant alone. Frodo, leave my plant. Frodo!
This clip stumped me. Why does she enjoy this? So this is why doctor appointments take forever.
Hey, Beaker, you're at it again. Can you? And your brother too? Like, what is he here for, moral support?
Why is she attacking the floor? I want to start a thing where I show the best comment from the last video, and this one was definitely the best.